Bangkok is the capital city of Thailand, located in the central part of the country. This city is famous for its nightlife, with numerous bars, nightclubs, and restaurants catering to both locals and tourists. Bangkok is a vibrant and exciting city with a rich cultural heritage and plenty of things to see and do. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Bangkok. So please watch this video till the end. Wat Phra Chetuphon is a Buddhist temple in Bangkok. It is one of the oldest and largest temples in the city, dating back to the 16th century. The temple complex covers an area of approximately 80,000 square meters and contains the famous wrestling Buddha statue, which is 46 meters long and 15 meters high. The Temple of Dawn is also as Wat Arun is a Buddhist temple in Bangkok. It is named after the Hindu god Aruna, who is often depicted as the radiations of rising sun. Visitors can climb the central prang of a breathtaking view of the Chao Phraya River and the surrounding area. The temple was built in the early 19th century and is one of the most iconic landmarks in Bangkok. The Grand Palace is a complex of buildings located in the heart of Bangkok. It was built in 1782 and served as the official residence of the kings of Siam until 1925. Today, it is used for ceremonial purposes and is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Bangkok. The most famous building within the complex is the Temple of the Emerald Buddha, which houses a small but revered statue of the Buddha made of green jade. The Thompson House is a museum located in Bangkok. It was the former home of Jim Thompson, an American businessman who played a significant role in reviving the Thai silk industry during the 1950s and 1960s. It is a popular attraction for tourists visiting Bangkok, and it offers a unique glimpse into traditional Thai architecture and design. Lumpini Park is a large public park located in the center of Bangkok. It was created in the 1920s by King Rama VI on royal land and named after the birthplace of the Buddha in Nepal. The park is a popular recreational area for both locals and tourists. The Golden Mount, also known as Wat Saket, is a temple in Bangkok. It is situated on a man-made hill that is approximately 80 meters high. The history of Golden Mount dates back to the Ayutthaya period when King Rama III ordered the construction of a temple on the site. However, due to the unstable ground, the temple collapsed and was left abandoned for many years. King Rama later ordered the reconstruction of the temple, and the golden stupa was added in the early 20th century. The Temple of the Golden Buddha, also known as Wat Trimit, is a Buddhist temple located in the Chinatown area of Bangkok. The temple was built in the 13th century. The temple is famous for its solid gold Buddha statue, which is 3 meters tall and weighs 5.5 tons. The statue was discovered in the 1950s when a plaster casing was being removed from a damaged steel screw with the statue. The Marble Temple, also known as Wat Besmam Phophet, is a Buddhist temple in Bangkok. It was built during the reign of King Rama V in the late 19th century and is considered one of the most beautiful temples in Bangkok. The temple is named after the white Carrara marble used in its construction, which gives it a stunning and unique appearance. The best time to visit Bangkok is from November to February when the weather is dry and relatively cooler. During this period, temperatures range from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius and there is little rainfall, making it the peak tourist season. Please leave a comment about Bangkok and subscribe the channel to stay with us.